As the marketing manager for a company that offers automation solutions for a broad range of industries, you know all too well how important it is to automate certain aspects of your customer engagement tactics to ensure that no leaf is left unturned. This is why you've set up an automation workflow that works to further engage your already interested leads and provide some concentrated sales representative attention at the end of the workflow to close the sale. Your strategy begins by targeting the subscribers that have attended an educational webinar that you host periodically. Following the webinar, you send the attendees a thank you message with additional content for them to download. This downloadable content will also serve as a lead qualifier, helping to further identify those leads that are showing more interest in your offers. Those that downloaded the content, which you discern by checking for the content link clicked in the thank you message, will receive a tag. Those that did not click the content download, you'll wait a day before sending them a reminder. For those with the content download tag, you'll then need to verify if they visited a specific URL. This is because the content download page also included a call to fill out an additional interest survey. You're confirming if they have reached the page that follows the survey completion. Those initial non-clickers will also flow through the workflow in a similar way if the content reminder message resulted in their completion of the interest survey. All those who reach the specified URL will be tagged as a sales lead. Those who don't make it there within a given time frame will be tagged with a re-engagement tag and moved to a campaign that you've set up specifically for this purpose. All of your sales leads will be moved to your sales representative's campaign, and an alert is sent to all reps who could jump on it and work to close the sale.